I Craobh Iomána fé feithin na mún ó Niels.com thugann Clár aigur Corcaigh agus an dáthraigh súla hása lé canis áit greibh tibredarnach frachló. Bhí Brian Tyres agus Seamus Kennedy in inis den ceann seo.
Sé gnacht dalisteach a dún chúil an tosaí take amach an son. William Buckley le héad a scór. Gunning inis. Tá Bertrand sa Jack O'Neill rinne cup cheart gannach scóraige Jack an sa agus tá Spregaimse aige. Bútisteach na tosa ríistige Corcaigh Lándathes bachan isis. Líhí bhí fiachant chun céinige go tá punt tóca sin. Gafa Harris agus tá seansan sa hanis go Niall Farrell. Seo hen seansar chud Darrell Sullivan anna fascaí straight agus tá cool. Fachta gan Clár. Ceann fada an úsar straight ríist agus tá Conor Whelan. Gafa leistig de Kevin Lyons. Seans against straight tá cool tacht an Clár. Nis mar sin tá fersa topic tá under the ile trustamig tá dish ag Corcaigh ar chólan sa. Agus tá mar cool. William Buckley taking checking in nach paint one elevator and vert. Agus William Brasto gáardach stig tá score ele fós. Agus tá buntige Corcaigh tá sin cáile het a chuthe canis na mún. The Craobh.com faoi fethe.
There was a lot of questions asked of us after Tipperary 2 weeks ago over in Thurles, so we had a lot of questions hanging over ourselves, not within the group but on the public in general. Look, I think we answered the questions there tonight. This is only semi-final, so we're looking forward to next week against Tipperary. Our boys fought their backs there for that. Next weekend will be a totally different game again against Tip, but look, we'll get down from the high of tonight, working a few things during the week and we'll be ready for action again next weekend.